All right, so estate planning updates. A few changes here. So the lifetime gift tax exemption. So if you think of a federal estate tax, the exemption currently is $13.99 million for someone who is single, and it's twice that for someone who is married. Beginning next year, the estate tax exemption is going to a flat $15 million for an individual, $30 million for a married couple. This was actually set to revert back to $7 million, around $7 million at the end of this year, if this bill wasn't signed. So long story short, this just gives people a big picture. We have more stability around what an estate tax exemption is going to look like. And obviously $30 million for a married couple is a meaningful number, but you know, the reality of having money invested in growing and compounding for a long time, these numbers can get bigger. So when you are thinking about your own estate planning, with the goal of avoiding paying any unnecessary estate taxes, the reality is this threshold is going to remove that as a major concern for a lot of people. But it's ultimately making this something that's stable and it's fixed and it's going to be indexed for inflation in the future. And again, it does remain, the other quick point that I wanted to make is that people can, if you are gifting money to, an ongoing conversation that we have with more clients is ultimately gifting money to their family prior to their passing. Basically, rather than someone leaving a big chunk of money for their kids or their grandkids, people have the desire to be able to help them out more along the way. So nothing has changed as far as that goes. Right now, anybody in this room could write as many checks as they wanted to for up to $19,000 and hand those checks out to whomever they wanted without there being any tax impact on you, the giver, or the person that's the recipient of that gift. That number will change. In all likelihood, it will move a bit higher next year. But the main point there is, if someone is looking at really if they want to help out their family, they want to help out whomever it might be, that can be a great way to help avoid some of the estate tax issues that can come in the future, and there's no major tax implications for those that are involved.